It's a very quick overview video introducing and sharing with you an investment club for beginners. Now this will be different from possibly what you're expecting, because this investment club is not about stocks and shares on the main public stock markets. This is an investment club that allows you to get in really early with young, early stage startup type companies. So it's more like Dragon's Den or Shark Tank, but for ordinary people. It's very affordable, costs less than £1 a day to be a member of the club, and every month the club will give you shares in businesses that they've invested in, so you don't even need to do any work or effort. Let me quickly go and show you my own portfolio. So these are shares that the club have given me every month. I've been a member for almost 10 years now, and you get to see your top holdings, so Happy Drinks, BGL Dividend Fund, Total Environmental Solutions, Tex, Simply Pay Me, and so on. Your portfolio total value, I'm obviously going to keep that discreet from the screen here, but you get to see all the different companies. So my favourite company at the moment is Happy Drinks Company. They're over in Liverpool and they are producing a range of drinks for some major UK retailers, supermarkets, and that is growing really fast. So really exciting company there. You can share the club. There's a link in the description if you want to join the club. You'll also get a welcome bonus by using my personal invitation link. Like I said, it's just £29 a month at minimum level, so less than £1 a day, but you can go through up to £1,000 a month, where you'll get up to 100% of your money returned to you in the value of complimentary shares that the club has invested in. Like I said, you don't need to do any work, you don't need any background or knowledge, and a lot of people just treat it like a savings plan. You pay your monthly subscription, you get access to all the club's services, you also get webinars, tutorials, events, and there's lots of things happening in this club. It's a small club still, but it's open worldwide, so if you'd like to give it a spin, or if you've got any questions, let me know in the description below. But yeah, go and join it. You'll get some bonus shares just for simply joining the club, and it's all about getting into the next big thing. You know, if Happy Drinks goes on and becomes a Coca-Cola of the world, then a lot of members are going to make a lot of money, and that's the point, being in early with early stage business and startups. There's no other club does this. I've been looking around for 10 years and this is totally unique. So if you like the idea of getting in early in the next big thing, join the club, link in the description.